Hello guys, as you all know that the extent of explosion of the bombs by the terrorists is slightly increasing day by the day. As you have heard the news of the Taj Hotel, the terrorists they hijacked that place and they fired there, they exploded their bomb. So today we'll do the practically that how these terrorists they put the bomb at their hijacked place, how they put the bombs at the checkpoint, and how much the bombs can be very dangerous, or how much the bomb can be do the damage to the building. So first of all, in this downwards option we'll choose the option of time bomb. Okay, we have choose. Now we will also see our place at which we will put that bomb. Okay, we'll put that bomb in this middlemost building in this city. Only first of all we will see only one bomb, how it will do the damage to that building. Okay, in the middle of that building I have been put that bomb. You can see that a very teeny red color light is there which is bulging. That's the bomb where I have put it, and now I will on the switch of that bomb and it will explode. See the result. You can see that it has been totally damaged with three buildings. Four buildings it has been totally damaged, and fifth building also it has been damaged from the middle. You can see that one bomb how it can be very dangerous to the people nearby where the bomb has been fitted. Now in one building I will put two bombs together, one at the topmost and one at the downward of that building, one at the top and one at the base. See the result. Okay, now I will put in this. See, one I put at the topmost and one I will put in the base of this building. Yeah, you are seeing these two bombs. Now I will on the switch of this bomb. You can see how much damage this bomb can be. Okay, now in whole this city we will put the bomb and we will see the result. Now you can see at the various points, at the various point of the city, at every building we are fitting these bombs, two or three in a single building. Sorry, actually hole has been made by mistake. My hand this is the explosion of the bomb which is seen now. You can see these are only time bombs. सॉरी जो ये साइड में हो गया, ये एक्चुअली हाथ गलती से लग गया स्क्रीन पर. So you sign this building, how these bombs of the terrorists, this can be dangerous to us, and how much damage they give to our buildings or to us too. Okay, thank you for seeing our video.